family. Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Um, just coming to you, man, with a few thoughts I was having about the holidays. Throughout the history of the holidays, it seems like more and more each year is more about the commerce, the money, what's on sale, um, the the gain. It's all about the gaining. You know what I mean? Making money. I mean, just think about it. Every holiday is not about what it's supposed to be about, but it's about, man. Oh man, it's 25% off today. This is 50% off today. You get $10 back today. You know what I mean? So it's like the meaning of something. Like the true meaning of what it's supposed to mean with certain holidays has lost that essence. It's all about deals. That's what I call it. Lady asked me, do I believe in certain things? I'm like, yeah, I believe in certain things. But these holidays now, it's all motion around what you can sell, items, how to get your items to sell for certain seasons. I mean, even companies, retail stores release certain items in certain seasons because they know people are going to buy it before or getting on, towards that time. So it's just a big thing, man, to stay aware of, the way things have changed. Things are changing. And if you're going to make it, if you're going to be successful being a business owner, you have to understand what's going on, how the economy is changing, how um, people are buying into brands, people are um, buying into looks of certain things. A lot of people purchase things just because how they look, and they ain't come to find out, you're like, man, this thing ain't even reliable. But it was what it looked like at the time, to get you in, to get you to buy it. And then it'd be like, oh, my bad. We'll come up with a better item next time. And I already got your money now, you know. Um, just something to think about, man. When you're building your products and working on your services, is just to remember, man, what kind of world we live in, and not to let that overwhelm you. Hold on.